Hello everyone, let us provide a solution to this interesting logarithmic inequality. The log of x minus 1 with the base of 0.3 less than log of x minus 1 with the base of 0.09. Before we start, you should know that the argument of logarithmic expressions has to always be positive, right? So x minus 1 will have to be greater than 0, which implies that x has to be greater than 1. Yes, so let's get started. Another thing you should understand here or observe is that 0.09 is the same thing as 0.3 to the power of 2. So we can write this as log of x minus 1 with the base of 0.3 less than log of x minus 1 with the base of 0.3 squared. Now, this brings us to another law of logarithm, which stated that if you have log of a with the base of b, but this b is raised to the power of something, c, this can be expressed as 1 divided by c log of a with the base of b. So if you relate, these two here correspond to c here, right? So we can write our inequality as log of x minus 1 with the base of 0.3 less than 1 divided by 2 multiplied by log of x minus 1 with the base of 0.3. Now you can multiply the left and the right hand side by 2 just to clear this fraction. So you have 2 log of x minus 1 with the base of 0.3 less than just log of x minus 1 with the base of 0.3. Now you can take this one to the left hand side. You can see they are like terms. We have two quantities here. We have one quantity. As this crosses over, it becomes negative. So it becomes 2 log of this minus log of that, which is a single log of x minus 1 with the base of 0.3, what? Less than 0. But another thing you should remember, if you have inequality like this, remember x minus 1, if it is an equation, it will be equal to what? 0.3 to the power of 0, right? This base to the power of this will be the argument. But remember that this is not an equation. It has to be inequality. So is it going to be less than? No, it is going to be greater than. Why? Whenever you come to this stage and you realize the base is a number between 0 and 1, a fraction between 0 and 1, the direction of the inequality will surely change. So this is x minus 1 greater than 1 because this is 1. And if you take this one to the other side, it becomes positive. So you have x greater than 1 plus 1, which finally x greater than 2. Yeah, this is the solution. Remember the condition, x has to be what? Greater than 1. And 2 is indeed greater than 1. So this is the solution.